Welcome to Expert Credit Care's weekly series, This or That, where we ask the question, which option is better for your credit? We aim to help spread credit awareness to our community, and our goal is to help you hear, you're approved. Stay tuned every Thursday for a new episode, and please like and subscribe to our page, share this video, and comment your answer below, as we help spread awareness to help others on their credit journey. This week, we ask which is better for credit protection, a credit freeze, or a fraud alert. Both serve as credit protection tools, but they work differently and are used in different circumstances. The choice depends on your specific need and level of protection required. A credit freeze, also known as a security freeze, restricts access to your credit report, making it hard for identity thieves to open new accounts in your name. When you place a freeze, creditors cannot access your credit report unless you lift or remove the freeze. A fraud alert alerts potential creditors that you may be a victim of identity theft, prompting them to take steps to verify your identity before opening new accounts. There are 3 types of fraud alerts: initial, extended, and military. Pros of a credit freeze. They have a high level of protection. A credit freeze offers a robust layer of security, preventing unauthorized individuals from opening new credit accounts using your information. They are free. In many states, credit freezes are now free of charge, making it a cost-effective option for credit protection. Now, cons of a credit freeze: inconvenience. Because the freeze restricts access to your credit report, you'll need to temporarily lift it when applying for new credit or other services that require a credit check. Also, they have a limited impact on existing accounts. A credit freeze primarily protects against new credit applications and doesn't affect existing accounts, such as credit cards or loans. Pros of a fraud alert. It's a quicker application process. Unlike a credit freeze, you only need to contact one credit bureau to place a fraud alert, and they will notify the other 2. It still allows credit access. A fraud alert doesn't prevent access to your credit report, so you can still apply for credit as usual. However, creditors may perform additional identity verification. Cons of a fraud alert: less restrictive than a credit freeze. While a fraud alert adds an extra layer of protection, it doesn't completely block access to your credit report like a freeze does. They have a limited duration. Initial fraud alerts last for 90 days, and extended fraud alerts last for 7 years but require additional documentation for verification. Which one should you choose? If you're concerned about potential identity theft and want a high level of protection, a credit freeze is a strong option. It provides a more comprehensive shield against unauthorized credit activity. On the other hand, if you want to maintain some flexibility in accessing credit and services, a fraud alert can be a suitable choice, especially for shorter-term protection. In some cases, you may opt to use both tools for maximum protection. For example, you can place a credit freeze if you want a more extended period of protection and add a fraud alert for an extra layer of security when applying for new credit. Remember, Expert Credit Care can always help you make the best choice, depending on your specific situation. Contact us today for more.